Alright, man, we got my new controllers here. Let's take a look. This is my first live unboxing. That's pre-recorded. I guess it's not live. Like how they come in like different boxes. Alright, so this first one right here, it's called Bumblebee. Yeah, blacked out buttons. A nice Bumblebee controller. Matches someone's certain car. Even the inside looks painted too. Purple on the inside. The detail. Yeah. A little imperfection right here, but otherwise, great job. Alright. Let's take a look at the next one. Next one's called Rampage, I believe. I call this one the Dexter. You'll see why. Oh yeah.
That one's tight.
Got nice chrome buttons and switches. Alright, don't forget to subscribe.